Welcome back, tech enthusiasts and investors. Today we're about to break down the fascinating world of advanced micro devices, or AMD. This is the ultimate deep dive into AMD's financials and market performance, so grab your popcorn and let's get started. First up, we've got the PE ratio, or price-to-earnings ratio, which tells us how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of earnings. As of the trailing 12 months, AMD's PR stands at a whopping 876.73, which is way above the 5-year average of 55.02. Looking forward, the forward PE is 28.25, showing more optimism about the company's future earnings potential. Now, let's talk about PG, the price/earnings-to-growth ratio, which measures the stock's valuation considering its growth prospects. AMD's PG ratio is quite high at 97.41, indicating a premium investors are willing to pay for the expected growth. When it comes to return on equity, AMD has a 0.38% figure, and return on assets is 0.31%. These numbers suggest that AMD might not be the most efficient company in generating profits from shareholders' equity and assets. Earnings per share or EPS for AMD is 12 cents, while the expected EPS growth rate for the next 5 years is a promising 9%. This suggests AMD has plans for growth and is optimistic about its future profitability. One thing to note is that AMD doesn't currently pay a dividend. So, if you're an income-focused investor, you might want to look elsewhere. On the other hand, the company's operating margin stands at 0.33%, and its profit margin is 0.94%. These figures reflect the company's efficiency in managing its expenses and generating profits from its operations. AMD has seen a positive trend in both revenue and earnings over the last 8 years. However, there was a sharp drop in earnings during 2022. This instability has impacted AMD's market price. Despite this, AMD outperformed the VO index over the past 5 years, but the drop in 2022 might make investors a bit jittery. Let's talk about the debt situation. AMD has a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.05, which is relatively low, and a long-term debt-to-equity ratio of 0.04, indicating a sound financial position with limited reliance on debt financing. Over the past 52 weeks, AMD's stock price has seen an average return of 80.57%, which is quite impressive. The company currently boasts a market capitalization of $159.14 billion, indicating its size and significance in the tech industry. Here's where it gets interesting. Analysts are predicting an average price of $129.60 for AMD in the next 12 months, which is a 19.92% upside from the current price of $107.90. So, they're quite bullish on AMD's future. But hold on, here's a twist. Our own analysis suggests a fair value of $112.52, which is above the current price, indicating a potential undervaluation. So, there's a difference of opinion here, and it's up to you to decide who you agree with. In conclusion, Advanced Micro Devices is a tech powerhouse with a roller coaster ride in its financials and a bright future ahead. It's got a strong market position, low debt, and analysts divided on its potential. As always, do your research and consider your investment strategy before diving into this dynamic company. Thanks for joining us in this breakdown of AMD's financials. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting financial insights. Until next time, happy investing!